Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Used Cars, Smart Motors Used Cars, Odana Road in Madison. Hey, today I've got a truck, an exceptional truck. Yeah, that looks pretty nice too. But today I'm going to talk about this 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport Edition. This is a really clean truck. Now, the grille on this is all chrome. So that's the limited edition grille. So somebody put that on after they bought it. They must like the look of it. Certified used Toyota Tacoma 2016, 82,000 miles on this. And I'll tell you what, the exterior is awesome. The paint shines like the day it came off the factory line. Knee deep in rubber. These are new tires on here. This one has aftermarket running boards. It might even be Toyota, but those are awesome as well. Really nice, a wide running board, easy to get in and out. TRD Sport comes with a cloth interior, leather wrapped steering wheel, fingertip controls for your cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, touchscreen, heating and air conditioning standard. This one has wireless charging down there for your smartphone. And this is the access cab. So you end up with one full door and then the half-size door, but that gives you a 6-inch longer bed on there by going with the access cab. The access cab has some storage back here underneath the jump seats, places to hide your goodies. Jump seats are jump seats, right? Not made for long rides, but you certainly can fit some little ones in there and make a go of it. So charcoal gray interior, privacy glass on the backside, color to match over fenders, MUDGUARDS, TRD Sport, badging, soft tonneau cover, factory towing package, ready to go, pre-wired, backup camera, locking tailgate, 3.5 liter V6. This is a really sweet ride, and that's a solid engine, that 3.5 liter V6. 4x4 with electronic differential locking on there. Once again, take a look at those tires. Really brand new. I mean, it's the way to go. Here on the passenger side, the thing about the access is it's super easy to get in and out. Seats are clean, all weather floor mats. Just a nice truck. Somebody's gonna buy a really nice one. It's just going on the lot today, right now. As I'm taking a picture of it, they're putting together the pricing, and it will go out on the lot. Now this is a certified used, and then we include 2 years of maintenance as well. So oil changes and tire rotations covered for the first 2 years. So stop by, give us a call. We'd be happy to work up a price you can agree to. This is Tony at Smart Used Cars. Thanks for watching.